Wanna know how to find LCM of two numbers in Java? So LCM stands for least common multiples, and in this short code I'm going to show you how LCM works and how you can find it in Java. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now LCM is basically the smallest number that is divisible by both numbers. The trick to find LCM is to use the formula, that is a times b divided by GCD and with a comma b. And here we have used two methods right here. This is our main method and another to call it, and inside it we have two strings, that is integer a and b. We have named it 5920. So like before when I mentioned, there is a formula, so we just simply use this formula right here, that is a times b divided by GCD of a comma b. So make sure we also find out GCD. So for that we have another method right here on top, and then after all of that is done, we just simply return it and print the result. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.